Hello friends, I'm going to do, I don't even think I titled this video, but I'm going to do a quick training on ring lights for you. So I just posted about 5 really inexpensive budget-friendly pieces of equipment that you can use to get started with video for your business, obviously outside of like camera equipment. So things that I listed, go check the post out. I listed ring lights, things like tape, headphones, and even a whiteboard. So what I want to do, hi Chrisanne, thanks for jumping in. I should have titled this training, but going to talk about ring lights a little bit. So for today, I'm standing in front of a window because I want to be able to use my ring light. But I would recommend, because I've already gotten a few questions on this, I would recommend the newer, I think it's called newer brand of ring light. Go snag, if you click the link in my bio, I have a free video starter guide. Hey, thanks for the hearts. Free video starter guide that links to some equipment recommendations. So you can check out, this is I want to say a 10-inch ring light. It probably looks much bigger here, but you can get a 10 or 18-inch ring light I would recommend, because then you can kind of soften it a little bit. But for today's illustration, I'm going to show you my off-brand ring light. And I would recommend all your ring lights are probably going to come with a little adjuster. So as I show you just kind of what this looks like. So I turn this on. And my ring light has a couple different colors that it could do. So there's like this is kind of the midway. There's the yellow, and then there's a bright white. So actually this is bright white, yellow, and kind of a mid. So why this is important is because your lighting in your space is going to look different. Right now I'm in my office that has gray walls. I'm standing by a window. We have snow outside, so everything is quite white. But you might be in a space that skews a little bit more yellow, especially if you have like pink walls or anything. So you're going to need to choose the color temperature to make your skin look most natural. So that's really important. And then I want to talk about color intensity, or brightness intensity. So let's put this back on like the really bright. So if I pop this all the way up, which it is right now, if I have this here, you can see how bright that is. And I would actually adjust your lighting to be a little bit softer. So ways you can do that, you can adjust it manually, or you can actually hold the ring light or set the ring light further away from you just to soften that. So there's a few things you can do to soften lights. Like I said, 1, adjust the brightness. 2, adjust where the ring light is placed. Or 3, you can actually bounce the ring light or any light source that you're using. You guys don't have to use a ring light, but bounce any light source off a wall, or this is where that whiteboard tip comes in. You can use a whiteboard to reflect light back. So for instance, right now, I'm standing by a window, so I've got great lighting on this side of my face. This side is a little bit darker, so I might position my ring light here just to give me a little bit more, you can't see it, here, to give me a little bit more even lighting. So that's, pretty helpful to do that. So again, if you're just tuning in, I would recommend the newer brand of lights, or newer brand. You can get that on Amazon, and it's like $50. You could invest a little bit more. I think it's $99 for the 18-inch light. And these actually come, so the newer ones will come with a mount for your phone. So you can place your phone like right in the middle. I personally don't love to do that, because when I do this, then you can see the ring light in my eyes, and I don't personally love that look, I guess, unless you're doing like makeup tutorials, but I like to have a little bit of a softer light. So I always like to move my light off camera into the side of my phone if I'm filming with my phone. So that is a lighting hack for you using a ring light. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Again, grab the guide in my bio or on my website, lizmcvoy.com. You can use a ring light, you can use a whiteboard to reflect light, you can use a lamp, you can use a window like I am in front of right now. But the goal is just to light yourself so that it looks more natural, because the sensor in your phone or in your camera is not nearly as strong as the human eye, where the human eye can adjust in dark settings, right? We can see you clearly, but the darker your setting, your camera is actually, the picture is going to look grainier and it's harder for your audience to see. So having nice lighting, even a subtle little ring light like that, always makes your video look a little bit better. So that's my quick training on ring lights. Again, DM me if you have questions, drop them below, and I will talk to you later.